In this video, I'll be showing you the exact step-by-step instructions on how exactly you can create a Facebook business page, which you can use for showcasing your business, or if you're a creator, you can certainly upload your videos and earn money from Facebook as well. So let's get started and welcome to Sriram Benur channel. Now to start with, first log into facebook.com. So make sure you have signed in. Once you have logged into your Facebook account, just click on this menu. Once you click on that, you'll see here create page. Just click on that. Now it is going to ask for the page info. So let me just give the page name. So in this category, you select the category of your business. You can select up to 3 options here. So I'm going to select as creator. So there is no video creator as such. So I'm going to select as a digital creator. I'm also going to select as coach. Okay. So this is what I have selected. Now next comes the description. So please do write a description here, and it can have up to 255 characters. So let me just quickly put that across here. So I just entered the description. Now once that is done, just click on create page. So Digital Achievers Hub has been created now. Okay. So now we can add the images and go to the page. Okay. So just scroll down. Now you see an option here to add the profile photo. Okay. You also have an option to add the cover photo. So this section is called as the cover photo, and this is the profile image. So let's add that. So first let's select the profile photo. So it's preferred that, okay, you are going to have a square image. So I have selected this. So you could see this is how it is going to appear. Let me scroll down and select a cover photo. So let me select a cover photo. So right now you could see that, okay, this is how it is going to look on desktop. So Digital Achievers Hub and right. So this is how it is going to appear. Okay. Now once this is done, just click on save. Now once you click on save, you will see something like this. Connect your Facebook page to WhatsApp. Now as a business owner, certainly please do give your business phone number here. And once you do that, just click on send code. You'll be getting a code. And once you verify the code, your WhatsApp number is going to be linked to your Facebook page, and people can directly interact with you on WhatsApp. Now, if you're a creator, this step is not necessary. Okay. So just close this. Okay. It says, are you sure you want to leave? Yes. So now we have done with the basic settings. Now the next most important thing is you giving a custom username. So you could see right now it says facebook.com digital achievers hub -1. There is a numbers over there. Okay. Now let's give a unique name so that it is easy to remember as well. So let's just click on create a username, and I'm going to select as digital achievers hub. Okay. So this looks disabled. Just click over here. Once you click over here, it will become enabled. Okay. So it says it is available. Okay. It says when it says green, it means that, okay, this name is available. If it does not indicate green, then it looks like somebody would have already taken that username, and you might have to create with a new username. So once you have got this, just click on create username. Okay. So now you could see, if I just click on this, this is going to be my page URL. So it's facebook.com/digital achievers hub. Okay. Now this is what I wanted. Okay. So once that is done, just click on done. Now once this is done, let's add other information. Okay. So just come on the left side and click on edit page info. So here you see the basic things. So this is the name, username. So we have given the description, category is there. So contact number. If you want to give your contact number, certainly you can give it. I'm going to say as my page does not have a phone number. Okay. So again, if you want to give your WhatsApp phone number, you can certainly give here. And I'm going to say as my page doesn't have a WhatsApp phone number. So it says disconnect WhatsApp account. I'm going to say as disconnect. But again, as I said, for business owners, so please do give your WhatsApp number and you link it. My page doesn't have a WhatsApp number, so that's what I selected. So next, please do enter your email ID and the website link. So let me just enter the email and the website link here. So I just entered the email ID right now. So let me just enter the website link now. Let me just copy my website link. okay, and paste it here. So if you don't have a website, then you can say as my page does not have a website. It's completely okay. So then just scroll down. So next is location. In location, kindly select your business address. So you can enter this. And if you are a video creator, then you really don't have to enter any address. And since I am a creator, I'm just going to select as my page doesn't have a location here. Okay. So once that is done, service area, you can enter the locations where all you provide the service. Next is coming to the working hours. So by default, it would have selected as no hours available. If you want to select any specific hours for your business, you can select that. Now, say for example, if you are a creator or if you are into completely into digital way of selling and things like that, you can either select no hours available or you can say always open. This is something that you could do. Okay. Or if you are a business which is operating in a particular time, in that case, select this one, open on selected hours. Here you can select like, okay, what is the opening hour? Say for example, I'm going to open my shop at around 9 a.m. or 9:30 a.m. and closing by, say for example, around 6 p.m. Okay. So you can do the same thing based on your business working hours and enter this. So once done, you can just come down. So for now, I'm going to select as no hours available. Now they also have a separate section for temporary service changes. If there is anything like that, you can certainly select. Now say for example, temporarily closed or operating as usual or something like that. So next, once you come down, you can give your privacy policy page link here. Next is Impressum. So this is where you can mention about statement of ownership. Now this is not required in all the countries. It's completely optional. So only in countries like Australia, Germany or Switzerland, this is required to be entered. So here in the products, I've just listed like this, all the products what we offer in Digital Achievers Hub, like where one could learn about YouTube or Facebook or affiliate program and things like that. So if there is any additional information that you want to enter, you can certainly enter it. So QR code, it also asks for the price range. What is the price range of your products? Is it cheap, moderate, expensive, or something like that? Okay. So I'm going to select as a moderate. Price range is not applicable. So if it is not really applicable for your business, then select as not applicable. Currency I have kept as Indian currency. So next is other accounts. So you can certainly link your other platforms here. You can link Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Snapchat, right? So let me just quickly link my Instagram here. So let me just give the link of it. So this is my Instagram ID. I'm just going to give it here. And I'm going to click on plus. If you want to add more, just click on plus. Okay. So now you could see there is one more that has opened up. I'm just going to click on YouTube here. And I'm going to give my YouTube URL. Okay. So I'm just going to click on plus. So all are saved right now. Okay. So now this is all done. So now let me just open this in a new tab and show you how exactly the page is going to look. So you could see this is how it is appearing right now. Okay. And if I just scroll down, okay, so you could see the complete details here. It has my website link. Okay. So the email ID, and it also has my Instagram link. It has my YouTube link. Correct. This is how the page is going to look. Now next, let me show you how to add a button on your home page. Okay. So just click on add a button. You see that there are a lot of options that are available. So the first thing is follow. Now if you're a creator where you are going to grow your page for earning money from Facebook, so this is the option that you should be selecting. So make sure you have the follow button. Again, view gift card, start ordering or book now, or say for example, if you want to give more information about your website as a business owner, then you can select learn more. Okay. Or if you want them to sign up for a particular program or a newsletter, then you can give the sign up option. Or if you want them to shop on your website, then you can give shop on the website. Now say for example, I'm going to select as learn more. Okay. And I'm going to give my website link here, and I'm going to click on save. So let me just open this link in a new incognito window. Okay. So you see it shows as learn more. When somebody clicks on this, it is going to take to my website. Okay, so that's how you can add a website link, right? So that they can directly reach your website. Now, if you want to change it, just click on that edit button. Now I want people to follow my page, so I'm going to select as follow. Okay, so that's what I have selected. So now the follow button has been added. Now to test this, what you can do is you can just click on the button and it says test button. Okay, unable to subscribe because this is my own page, so it won't allow to subscribe like that. If somebody clicks on that, certainly they will be able to follow. Okay, so this is how you add the button on your page. Now with that, let's move to the last part, how you can create a post. So just click on create a post that you see here. Once you click on that, you can just write the text if you want, or if you want to select a photo or something, you can just click on photo or video. Now say for example, I'm going to select a photo here. Now say for example, this is something that I'm just going to add. You can just double click to get it selected, and I would say attend my next YouTube Masterclass. Okay, and I'm just going to give the link here. That's it. So this is what I'm going to give. Okay, so I'm just going to click on post. So this is how you can make a simple post. Let me show you how exactly it looks once you have made the post, right? So you could see here, okay, right now your post has been made. Now let me show you how exactly you can also upload a video. Okay, so let me just quickly show you that as well. So just click on create post. So I'm just going to select as not now. So you have an option to either select a photo or a video. Let me just select as a video right now. Okay, I'm going to select a video. I'm going to double click. So it is uploading the video right now. So there is a different way to upload a video as well by going to Facebook Creator Studio, but this is the fastest way of uploading, right? So certainly you can add images, you can add a video. So those are the kind of things that are there. Now I'm going to say here as, I'm going to give a small title for this video that I'm uploading right now. So now you could see that the video has been added. Again, if it's a picture, it would be showing the picture. Now, if you want to edit the video options here, just click on video options. So it says video title. So I'm going to say as, okay, so I have just added a video title. So you can certainly give the tags. I'm just going to copy and paste the same thing here right now. I'm not going to go in a lot more detail. If you want to put a custom thumbnail, you can certainly do that as well. So I'm going to select here, upload an image. Okay. And I'm going to select this one. I'm just going to click on save. Okay. So you could see. So this is how if you are going to upload a video, this is how you can do it. Once done, just click on post. So you could see that the video that we just uploaded is available right now. Okay, so that's how you can add a video. So now that you can see that you also have a image post and also you have a video post. So this is how exactly you do it. So that's how exactly you create a Facebook business page, with the help of which you can grow your business, and certainly as a creator you can earn money from Facebook as well. So I'll be covering a lot of details about Facebook. So certainly you can just click on this info link at the top to watch most relevant videos which is related to Facebook, so that you can grow your business, you can grow your page and earn money from that. So thanks for watching. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, hit that bell notification, select all notifications so that you don't miss any informative videos from this channel. Take good care and see you in the next video.